everybody, this is Ali Kamalzadeh at Gurney Law, and this is One Reg a Day, where we highlight one federal motor carrier safety regulation each and every weekday. And today we're discussing a tragic event that occurred over the weekend involving a commercial motor vehicle. And that is where, from the image, you can see a tractor trailer was traveling southbound on this highway. Based on witness statements, apparently the tractor trailer left the road, briefly hitting that embankment. You can see some debris and skid mark on that side of the road, and then overcorrected, crossing over both southbound lanes, hitting that center divider, and then crossing and covering the entire opposite lane of traffic. That is where vehicles that were traveling northbound just could not avoid such a large vehicle covering the entire way and struck the undercarriage of the trailer. And this is why we're highlighting section 392.3 that deals with driver fatigue or illness. Now, the regulation essentially highlights the importance of the employer nor the driver driving under these circumstances. Now, the onus on the motor carrier is to ensure that their drivers aren't driving for too long and aren't tired when driving on the roadways, and the driver's responsibility of knowing themselves and understanding that if they're feeling tired or sick, that they should get off the road. And this is a perfect example. Now, we don't know what caused this crash, but based on the factors that you can see from this image, we can only assume that maybe the driver was distracted or fatigued, or a combination of both. And that is why it's so important that drivers follow the regulations and get off the road if they're tired. And that's it. That's today's regulations. Thanks for stopping by at One Reg a Day. And don't forget, here at Gurney Law, it's personal.